warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friend, my name is Risa Yutas Daryono, name 2005520116, from the Faculty of Economic and Business, Stigubang University, Semarang. I'm here to share a brief history of the world's leading mobile phones company, namely Apple. Let's watch the following video. Apple is one technology company that is very popular. Because of its popular, Apple is also told as the richest company in the world. This one company was founded by Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak in 1976. To be precise, on April 5th in Cupertino, California, America. In its early days, the company produced desktop computer with a single motherboard. It didn't take long. 1 year later, Apple released its newest product, the Apple II, which had improved in several aspects, including keyboards, expansion slot, and many more. Then in 1984, Apple just introduced a computer that was equipped with a both mouse and screen. Various kinds of innovation and updates are constantly being carried out by Apple to make its computer product meet the needs of users. After the success of its PC product, Apple began to innovate to produce several products that become their superior. Among them are the release of iMac in 1977 and the release of the iPod for the first time in 2001. That portable music player from Apple popular in this time. Then in 2007, Apple released the first iPhone series. Although not released globally, the appearance of the iPhones at that time was able to attract the attention of people around the world. Through this iPhone product, Apple profits are so high every year. Apple also almost went bankrupt in 1996. This is because Apple products are considered ordinary without being uniquely compared to other computer companies. Apple bankrupt was also triggered by the release of Windows 85 by Microsoft. When the release of the latest Windows at that time suddenly made Apple seem to have been left out of they experienced a shrinking market share. However, this is not Apple. It's just silent while waiting for bankrupt to arrive. The first step that Jobs and Wozniak took to save Apple was to integrate the Mac OS operating system with unique best next step. This integration process it Apple to release the iMac in 1998. The latest product from Apple is targeting computer users in the education sector and personal use. Incidentally, the Apple logo wasn't the beaten Apple you know of by now. Even though it still carries apples in reality, the Apple logo is more complete, where Ronald Wayne was approved as the person who drew the Apple logo for the first time. Is the first picture Wayne depicts Newton sitting under an apple tree. The appearance of Newton figure is in the interior logo was because Steve Jobs was inspired by the story of an apple that fell on Newton's head. Not surprisingly, Newton figure appears of the logo. However, Jobs dedicated of a change the Apple logo in 1977. This logo replaced was because Steve Jobs admitted the, that the Apple logo would not be easy to remember by the wider community later. This is the reason why Steve Jobs decided to make the Peter Apple their absolute logo to that. The Apple logo with the bit was then created by Rob Janoff, who is an art director at a well-known company. After being a profit to illustrate the Apple logo, Janoff then approved several color choices for Stephen Jobs to choose from among the several logo options. Jobs preferred the Apple logo with an irregular rainbow color on the fruit. The choice of color is not without reason. Through this irregular color, Jobs want to imply this Apple product so creative, unique, and free. Oh, the meaning of Apple logo also in line with the slogan chosen by Apple, namely "Think Different." Based on this slogan, it is not surprising that every Apple product comes with different and executive software and hardware. This is what also makes Apple product different from Windows and Android product. As for Apple product that still exist until there are even many consumers in the present era, namely iPhone. Not even for long ago, the iPhone 12 come out. Uh, uh, Second, AirPods Apple. Next, Apple Watch, and the last MacBook. Nah, maybe that's a history of Apple that I know. I hope this information can be useful for all my friends. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.